We're back for another Halloween makeup look. So if you want to see how I got this half human, half pumpkin face makeup look, then stay tuned and make sure you watch to the end of the video and leave me some comments and let me know which Halloween look is your favorite so far, and give me some suggestions so that I can keep these videos coming. Alright, enjoy the tutorial. Okay, so I picked these up at my local Walmart and I have them on my tray. And before I do anything to my face, I'm going to put on my moisturizer and my baby oil gel. Okay, so I have my skin prepped. So on this section of my face, I'm just going to go in and fill in my brow and do, everything that I normally do to my face. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And then we're going to move on to the fun stuff. If you want to see how I do a full foundation look or how I do just a regular, natural makeup look, eyeshadow and all that, make sure that you check those videos out. For this part, I'm just going to have it sped up because you've all seen this before. So I will slow it down when I get to the pumpkin side.
Okay, so I did this side with my foundation, eyeshadow, a lash, brow, all that. So now I'm going to go in and mark out the things that I want to be pumpkin, I guess. So you all will see, you'll see what I'm doing.
Okay, so these are my basic markings and outlines, and this is like the crack, and this is going to be black, and the rest is going to be orange. So I'm going to go ahead and paint that in now. Okay, so I have my orange down and it's coming up a little red, but it is orange. So now I'm going to go in with my black paint and color in the mouth, nose, and the eye. And then I'm going to go in with black and brown, red, orange, and yellow eyeshadow to make these pumpkin lines look more defined. Alright, so I have the base of the pumpkin ready. I went in and shaded my lines, and now I'm going to add some yellow here in the middle sections and some shimmer to kind of bring that part of the pumpkin forward. This one is called Snow Day, and it's like a white iridescent glitter, and that's what I'm going to put up under there. And I wanted to put some bottom lashes on, but my eyes kept watering and I was just like, I'm not going to do that. So I decided to do this instead. So this is the finished look. Let me know what you all think about it. And I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.